You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn words and flow, how to pronounce the name of this molecule. If you want to learn more confusing names for medicine, medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you how to pronounce in English. Let's break it down. Phencyclidine. Phen, PH is pronounced like an F, of course, from Greek. Phency or S, you can pronounce it both, generally cyclidine. Phencyclidine, stress on that second C syllable. Some may say it as phencyclidine, phencyclidine, or generally correct English pronunciation, PCP. How to pronounce phencyclidine, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.